Hi, my name is Matt from Prioto, and today I want to talk to you about what Prioto is. So the contents for today is an introduction to Prioto. I'm going to give you some examples of how Prioto can benefit your sector. I'm going to explain how Prioto is actually delivered into projects. I'd like to summarize, and then I'll give you some time for some questions and answers. So firstly, what is Prioto? Prioto is a commercial building management solution, providing simple, cost-effective facility management technology. So we believe that a building should improve the user's experience without adding any complexity, and a Prioto system ensures the building is being used as efficiently as possible, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money. Prioto is split into two different areas. So firstly, there's the hardware element, and secondly, the software element. So for the hardware, what this is essentially the hardware which is installed into the facility to give customers, staff, end users the experience of controlling the building in a simple and intuitive way. On top of this, there's the software element, which is how the building is logging all the data that's happening inside of it, and also the option to have an app or a user interface to control certain aspects of the building. Prioto looks to do four things. So firstly, what it looks to do is improve the control of the building. So it's to simplify the control elements to make sure that it's intuitive for all users. Secondly, what we look to do is automate where we can. So simple and effective automation can take care of some of the tasks throughout the building. From there, we can monitor everything that's happening as well. So what the Prioto system looks to do is to monitor all the various aspects of data coming back from a facility to give facilities management a very clear overview on how the building is being used. This can then be used to alert if there's anything untoward spotted. So for example, if there's a leak or a very low temperature noticed in one of the buildings, we can alert facilities management to this. Prioto is designed to offer something in many different sectors, including retail, the emergency services, multi-site businesses, assisted living facilities, sports facilities, and the hospitality sector. Let's look now at how Prioto can enhance retail facilities. The Prioto system has innovative and effective solutions for many retail environments. This includes shops, shopping centres, supermarkets, showrooms, warehousing, and many others. The system is very effective at producing savings on energy, but it still provides an optimal customer experience as well. So not only are we improving how the staff feel and use the building, but we're also improving how the customers experience the facility as well. So some examples of how Prioto can enhance the retail environment might be in any retail facility that has changing rooms. So a few things that can be offered here with Prioto might be presence-based lighting in changing rooms. This ensures that lights aren't left on or left on all day if the changing rooms are only being used for a few hours of the day. It provides the added benefit of giving clear visual indication to staff members of the availability of changing spaces that are in that store. So if a staff member looks over, they can see which areas are lit up, so they can see if there are changing rooms available or if they're being used. It is also important that we deliver a consistent and comfortable temperature for customers who are using these changing rooms. If they're trying on a whole outfit, we want to make sure they're comfortable whilst they're doing that in the changing spaces. Another great example is the open and close down procedure of retail environments. So a single button here can give staff members the control of all the lights, setting all the heating back, closing the shutters. So the close down procedure is simplified. This is important, obviously, to make sure that energy isn't being wasted while with lights and heating being left on overnight. But it also improves the kind of staff morale because it's not making a super complex shutdown procedure at the end of the day. So it simplifies their life as well. This can also log the opening and closing times of the store as well. So facilities management have a clear indication of what time stores' shutters have been opened and closed. And also with the automation that Prioto can provide for retail environments, we can make sure that the store is at temperature in the morning before the store opens or before staff get there, but it doesn't have to be left on all night, wasting energy in doing so. Research has shown that a 20% reduction in energy costs represents the same profits as a 5% increase in sales. Many of the larger retail environments, a 5% increase in sales is actually a pretty good number to aim for. Another example of what Prioto can offer the retail environment is some advanced data monitoring across sites. So this means facility management can see collated data from all of their retail stores in a single interface. It offers head office or someone in charge of the multiple stores an overview of how the store is using energy, what temperature the store is, and the usage as well. This can also be used to give vital alerts on any kind of things such as leaks, or on the plumbing side of things, air quality concerns, and many other important things which might be essential for facility management to see. So to summarise, Prioto enhances staff productivity by making the retail environment more comfortable for staff. It enhances the customer comfort because they're going to be comfortable, warmer, and more likely to spend money when they are in the retail environment. And it enhances the management interaction with the facilities. So the regional managers or the regional facilities managers can see an overview of all the stores in the area and see their energy use, temperature, and so on. Prioto should be reducing your energy waste, reduces your carbon footprint, and saves you money as well. I would now like to explain to you how Prioto is actually delivered. So for successful project delivery, we will work with you through the 4 key stages of the project. Firstly, consultation. The Prioto team will work with the facilities managers to understand your requirements and provide expert advice on how to maximise the benefits of Prioto. Next, we'll go away and design a system. So we will create a feature specification to explain how the system is going to work and design all the relevant hardware and software parts for this as well. The next stage is going to be the installation. So Prioto have a wide network of skilled installers who will carry out the physical installation of all the required hardware. Any software and IT setup will also be delivered by the Prioto team. From here, we can offer ongoing maintenance. So this is to maintain any of the physical hardware that's installed in the facility and obviously offer technical support as well to facilities management and users. So to summarise, the Prioto system will reduce your energy wastage, reduce your carbon footprint, and save you money. I would like to open up the floor for any questions that you may have on what we've discussed today. Anyway, thank you for listening. If you have any more questions, please let me know.